Rusty Nuts Used Automotive. Not only do I got loose wires, but I got rusty cylinder walls. That's not good. I'm gonna have to clean this cylinder up a little bit. We'll take a look at the head right now, so stick around. Okay, so we're looking at this head. There's a spark plug. Believe it or not, spark plug don't look too bad. But this type of rust right here, I'm gonna try and I want to see if I can fix this. I'm gonna clean it all up, man. The guy told me they wrote it hard and put it away. That was it. And so anyway, this cylinder is it's got moisture. So we're gonna look for the crack. I'm looking for cracks. It's either they could have cracked from the inside up in there somewhere. So we'll clean it up. We'll take a look for it, look at it. But on the other note, I did want to go over my my rods here. So there's a rod over here. Yeah, this guy, he's tore up. You see that? Okay, this is what it should look like. Should look like that. But this one's pretty ate up. So that one revolves around the a lifter I got right in there. And I think it's that one right there. So let's take a look at it. There's a little bushing down in there. Oh. And then that's where that oil would squirt through. And yeah, that's where some of the damage happened, I guess. Yeah, you can kind of see there's a little pit up in there. Pit mark. It's all good, man. Don't worry about it, man. This is just the little details. I'll take care of all this. Okay, so yeah, let me get my lifter back where she belongs. Okay. So there's the bolts. Whoa. And yeah, man, having a hard time focusing here, man. Focus, dude. So yeah, we got bad head right there. Gonna check for the cracks. That's about it, man. Everything else looks serviceable. Look like it could be a lot of fun. Wish me the best, because if not, we're looking at the Ford. Yeah, that's pretty much one-handed job. Looking really dark. I mean, not that this is a great shot, but yeah, this is dark. So we're gonna check the oil pan here in a moment. We're gonna roll it over, and I want you to be there, so stick around. Hey, Rusty Nuts here. This is my seat. The cover's on wrong, or came out terrible. Anyway, it was an old couch anyway. So we're gonna rip that off, keep the cushion, and look for some more material. And the springs are pretty ate up, but what do you expect after 80 years? 90 years. Oh my God, 90. All right, that's the shot right there, man. Ouch. Okay. Now all I gotta do is rotate this a little bit. Boom. I should have a rag and clean it all out, but I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. Oop, that's a little gritty, and I don't want to lose all that oil, so let's go down again. Not feeling good, guys. Not at all. Alright, let's give it a run around. Oh, there it goes. Alright, I did spray a bunch of shit. I put my spray in there, so anyway. Now comes the fun part. We're gonna boom. Alright. Shit. Alright, I got past this side. Oh, God. Oh. What the? Distributor? Oh. Alright, we're there. Seal it. Sealed. Look at that. What the? Distributor rod, man. Yeah, fell right out. Oh, gotta clean that up. Alright, so I brought this up to the bench. Put some oil on there, some breaker shit. Leveled it out. 1920. Ford Anvil. So yeah, she is jacked, bro. Not sure what I'm gonna do. We'll pull the plug. I'm gonna look for cracks. Cracks, man. Cleanup time. Alright, so I cleaned out this valve, or yeah, this head. I'm not seeing no cracks. And those feel a little froze. They're probably all like that, yeah. So anyway, and then I couldn't help myself. I had to clean that up. I'll get this type of stuff all in the long run. But went around and I got the whole top. I'm seeing a lot of pitting right up in here, but I'm not worried about that. Same thing. Then pretty nice and smooth right there. So I'll pull these plugs out and come back and grind it all down and clean this out. And I'll keep an eye out for these cracks, but it's looking good. Now we're gonna hit this. Yeah, got a lot of that gooey shit. Anyway, I'm gonna clean this up next. He cleaned it up. I don't like that little ding right there, and looks like some beginning of rot. Anyway, this side's all right. That'll work. Oh, and then there's that one. Anyway, I'll keep cleaning her up. I think I'm gonna do these this side right there, headers. Where you bolt your headers on. Yeah, I'll clean that up. Right here, we cleaned her up too. And then once again, you know, there's a little bit, you know, I could come back and hit some of that. Okay, so this kind of manufacturing really trips me out, you know. Like that one is serviceable. I would pass that. I would pass that, and that I would say that's a no-go. I would fix that. So we're gonna do that. Plus, up in here, I think I'm gonna hit it with some grease. It's pretty caked in, and all I got is some chemical and an air gun. So that's how I'm gonna try and clean this one up. Plus, I'm gonna come in here with my I don't know, some round bitted file, and just get rid of all these burrs. And then we're talking about yeah, maybe I could get rid of all this crap inside here. It was worse, believe me. I've already pulled out tons of it, and the whole shop stinks because this stuff is baked, bruh. Burnt oil. It's terrible. So anyway, man, we're gonna do all that, and we'll get down with that next. But pretty much gave her a once over. Got this all pretty much, cleaned up, and then we also hit it up down in here. Yeah. So and once again, like there is some pitting right here, and that's probably something banging around, or a little piece of metal or something. I don't know, man. Maybe it's burning it too hot. Yeah, probably too hot. So anyway, yeah, no cracks so far. Let's just keep rolling. I gotta go look up a video and see if there's a way to take these rings off and remove these valves without having a valve wrench. I don't have a valve removing wrench, bruh. So anyway, man, I think and go look on YouTube and find somebody who can show you how to beat that after I grind some of this out. Cool. Later. So yeah, I ground that out, ground that one out, and that feels all nice. And see, the main thing is that the oil can drip right down in here and just get an avenue, and it's going to build up back here, and it's just going to drip down in there. So that's good. And then this one came out a little bit funny looking, but I'm not gonna worry about it. It's serviceable. That's what it is. That's all we're doing here, man. We're just making it serviceable. She's gonna have a little power too. I got little secrets, all kinds of little secrets coming up in the next episode of Rusty Nuts Used Automotive. Thanks for watching, man.